Hello guys, hope you all are doing great, keeping yourself safe in this situation. So today we are going to talk about the online drop shipping business. Everyone wants to start their own business, right? But the question is, how can you build your business successfully? So today we are going to talk about the same. Let's begin. Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the product it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product using a dropshipping model, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. Dropshipping is a particular common business model for brand spanking new entrepreneurs, particularly influencers and millennials. Because of net promoting skills so much outweighing monetary capability, since you don't get to stock or handle the things your mercantilism, it's attainable to begin a dropshipping business with restricted funds. An e-commerce website that operates a dropshipping model purchases the things it sells from a third-party provider or manufacturer. WHO then fulfills the order. This not solely cuts operation prices, however, it conjointly frees up some time to focus all of your efforts on client acquisition. If you're able to begin a business that may vie with retail giants and do therefore on a restricted budget, then follow the 6 steps below. Whereas it doesn't take plenty of startup funds to launch a dropshipping business, it'll need an associate large quantity of diligence. 1. Select a niche. The niche you decide on has to be laser focused and one thing you're genuinely inquisitive about. A product that varies that isn't centered is going to be tough to plug. If you aren't addicted to the niche you decide on, you'll be additional apt to turning into discouraged. As a result of it takes heaps of labors to, with success, scale a dropshipping business. Here are some points to contemplate once choosing your niche. Look for engaging profits. Once you are running a dropshipping business model, your focus is on selling and client acquisition. Therefore, the quantity of labor needed to sell a $20 item is actually similar because it would be to sell a $1,500 item. Choose a distinct segment with higher priced merchandise. Low shipping prices are vital. Despite the fact that your provider or manufacturer can handle the shipping, if the price is just too high, it'll act as client repellent. Realize one thing that's cheap to ship, as this conjointly provides you the choice of providing free shipping to your customers and riveting that value as a disbursement so as to draw in additional sales. Once you are centered on driving traffic to your website, you wish to expertise the very best conversion rate potential as a result of most guests can near come. The merchandise you're marketing ought to trigger impulse buyers and charms to those with the money ability to create an acquisition on the spot. Confirm individuals are actively checking out your product. Use Google Keyword Planner and Trends to ascertain some common search terms associated with your potential niche. If no one is checking out what you're designing on marketing, you're dead within the water before you even begin. Produce your own complete. Your dropshipping business can have additional worth if you'll be able to rebrand no matter it's your marketing and pass it off as your own. Search for a product or line you'll be able to white label and sell as your own complete with custom packaging and disapproval. Bootstrapping and finance equity to create your business is our suggested approach. Particularly for the first-time dropshipping entrepreneurs, we have tendency to favor this approach over finance as outsized add of cash for varied reasons. You'll find out how the business operates within and out, which can be crucial for managing others as your business grows and scales. You'll intimately understand your customers and market, permitting you to form higher choices. You'll be less doubtful to pay massive sums on vainous comes that aren't important to success. You'll develop many new skills that may cause you to a higher bourgeoisie. Realistically, the general republic isn't able to quit their job to pay 6 months to ramp up their new online store. It should be a touch tougher, however, it's undoubtedly potential to induce started with dropshipping, though you're still operating a 9-to-5 position. Forward, you set applicable expectations concerning client services and fulfillment times for your customers. Once you begin to grow, you'll transition into operating full-time on your business, the maximum amount as income and profitableness enable. 2. Perform competition research. Remember, you'll be competitive with different dropshipping operations further as retail giants like Walmart and Amazon. This is often wherever loads of electric potential shippers get it wrong. As a result of, they give the impression of being for a product that has very little to no competition. There are several reasons why a product won't have loads of competition, together with high shipping prices, provider and producing problems, or poor profit margins. Search for products that have competition, as it's a symptom that there's a high demand and also the business model is property. Sell one thing that isn't promptly on the market regionally. Decide one thing your client can realize down the road. That way you become additional engaging to a possible client. Some ways that to travel concerning your competition analysis are: run a Google search. Search engine, square, measure, and evident place to begin. Use Google to create an inventory of your prime 5 competitors. Begin with key search terms during a straightforward search like earplugs. Results can show you an agency, your top competitors, square measure, and the way they're promoting their product. If you would like to specialize in a particular country, you'll use a third-party tool like Ahrefs or SEMrush to search out keywords information in those areas. Use competition spy tools like SimilarWeb and Alexa. Online tools like these square measure nice for locating and keeping track of your competitors' online activity. They furnish you with an inventory of competition website data, like their social media profiles, prime traffic sources, range of holiday makers, and an agency, their competitor square measure. Browse social media. Look for Facebook ads in your niche and verify the highest brands within the market. Verify however the business communicates with its customers. However, its feed is meant what proportion engagement it gets. You will even follow its feed to never miss a beat. Use this data to search out ways that for your business to square out and improve your social media promoting strategy. Purchase competitors' email lists. Need competitors' updates straight to your inbox. Check in for his or her email list and obtain a glance within their promoting strategy. You'll additionally learn a lot of concerning and promotions and deals they use to lure customers to shop for. 3. Secure a supplier. Partnering with the incorrect provider will ruin your business. Therefore, it's vital that you just don't rush this step. Conduct correct due diligence. Most dropshipping suppliers square measure situated overseas, creating communication extraordinary vital, each in terms of response speed and therefore the ability to grasp one another. If you're not 100% assured with the communication talents of a possible provider, go on and continue your search. Alibaba has become one of the most important online resources to spot and communicate with potential makers and suppliers. Confirm to raise heaps of queries and learn what their production capabilities square measure within the event that your business grows exponentially. You wish to be sure they need the power to scale with you. Try to learn from alternative entrepreneurs you and agency have walked this path within the past. It's a preferred topic that may assist you to avoid expensive provider mistakes. 4. Build your e-commerce website. The quickest thanks to launching an internet site that supports a dropshipping business model is to use an easy e-commerce platform like Shopify. You would like a school background to induce up and running, and its many apps to assist increase sales. Even if you've got a large budget that may permit you to rent an online style and development company to form a custom resolution, it's a far wiser move to use one among the plug and play choices, particularly with the starting. Once you've established and also the revenue is returning in, then you'll be able to explore further website customization. Maybe in the beginning you don't have strong budget to hire a web designer, but as soon as you start earning, you can hire one. Show your attractive features on the website that can be offered to customers. 5. Create a customer acquisition plan. Having a nice product and a website is great. However, while not customers wanting to shop for, you don't have a business. There are many ways in which to draw potential customers. However, the foremost effective choice is to start out a Facebook advertising campaign. This allows you to come up with the sales and revenue right from the beginning, which might contribute to fast scaling. Facebook permits you to position you provide directly before an extremely targeted audience. This provides you the flexibility to vie with the most important brands and retailers in real time. Some examples of a niche shop dropping store could be dog bow ties for dog lovers, iPhone cases for iPhone owners, camping gear for campers, exercise equipment for fitness folks. 6. Analyze and optimize. You need to trace all the information and metrics out there to grow your business. This includes Google Analytics, traffic, and Facebook conversion constituent information if that's your main client acquisition channel. Once you square measure ready to track every single conversion to understand wherever the client originated from and what path they took on your website that eventually dialed to purchase, it permits you to scale what works and eliminate what doesn't. You also got to assume the future. Thus, computer program optimization and email selling ought to be even a spotlight. Collect emails from the beginner and got wind of machine-driven email sequences that apply discounts and special offers. Keep track of your data, and this will help you figure out the lacking you have faced and found a coherent way to overcome them. So that's it for today's video. Please watch our playlist on dropshipping where I explain everything about it. Friends, do not forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon and click notification, all for more amazing videos. And do leave a comment in the comment section below. I'll be back with some more mind-blowing contents in the next video. Till then, bye.